In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix GLFW error with this code on Minecraft TLauncher 1.2 Windows 7. So let's get started. Now we're going to look at various fixes, and the first fix we have is update graphics driver. Update graphics driver. So, visit your graphics card manufacturer's website and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for installing the driver. The next one we have is verify game integrity. So, verify game integrity. So, use TLauncher's built-in verification tool to check if any game files are corrupted. If you're using the official Minecraft launcher, try verifying the game files there as well. The next one we have is adjust Minecraft settings. Adjust Minecraft settings. Perfect. So try lowering the graphics settings in Minecraft, especially those related to rendering and textures. This might help alleviate compatibility issues. If you have any experimental features enabled, try disabling them temporarily. The next one we have is try a different Java version. Try a different Java version. So, some Minecraft versions might require specific Java versions. Try using a different Java version, for example Java 8 or Java 11, and see if it resolves the issue. The next one we have is update Windows. Update Windows. So, ensure your Windows 7 installation is up to date with the latest patches and updates. You could even try upgrading from a Windows 7 to Windows 11 as well. Next one we have is check for TLauncher issues. Check for TLauncher issues. Okay, so look for discussion or support threads related to GLFW error 65543 on TLauncher forums or communities. Other users might have encountered and resolved similar issues. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.